results as soon as we get them. But let's stay for now with the market. Bring in our first guest, Bespoke Investment Group co-founder Paul Hickey. Paul, good to see you. We are about to get a lot of micro reads on the consumer across general spending, convenience, travel, even some staples between Visa, Starbucks, Booking, and Mondelez. Which is the most important, you think, as a potential read-through?
I think a lot of them are important. Visa, I think, is a great read on the consumer, although there's, it's had some trouble recently with concerns over like the long term with stable coins and such. But that's a good read on the consumer. But what we want to see is with these companies, we want to see these secondary companies of the 160 companies reporting earnings this week between now and the end of the week. Over half of that is in the 4 megacaps in terms of market cap. But those have benefited from AI, but we want to see the expansion of the benefits of AI coming to these other companies that aren't directly involved and are using it. So that's what we want to see going forward. And our expectation is that we will see that. But coming to a big week ahead here, we want to see how the market reacts to the news. Today, you saw Boeing with some positive results, and the market sold off on that. So if we tend to see more of that going forward, that's going to be a little bit of a concern for us, as we have almost the opposite setup right now as we did 3 months ago, whereas in April it was a Mr. Hyde moment for the market. Everything was nasty. Now it's a Dr. Jekyll moment where everything looks great. And so that just sets expectations a little higher.